LeetCode is
Hello, today we will be doing LeetCode 283, which is an easy problem. Given an array nums, write a function to move all zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero elements. So here we have a list. We want to move all of the elements that are not zero, which here would be 1, 3, 12, maintaining relative order to the left, and then group all the zeros at the end. What I'm going to do here to accomplish this is create a pointer variable initialized to 0. Now, pointer is going to keep track of all of the elements and the index that they're going to go to on the left. So I'll traverse the list for num in nums. And if the number that I'm at is not equal to 0, I want to set it at the pointer index. So nums pointer equals num. And then I'll add 1 to the pointer variable. After this, the pointer variable will be at the point where we need to start filling the rest of the array with zeros, because it successfully moved, in this example, 3 non-zero numbers to the left. So the pointer variable will be at this point here, which I've highlighted. Now the last thing we have to do is just do for I in range pointer to the end of the list, and just set all of the values to 0. And this should be successful. Thank you for watching. Feel free to comment any of the solutions, and I hope this helped.